Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. Well, in this video I'll be teaching you guys on how to trade on Binance p2p, meaning peer-to-peer, like a peer-to-peer transfer. So right now I'll be logging in into my own Binance account. So here I have to blur out the numbers. So it's although I'll be receiving a code because it is two-factor authenticated. So this code is what will allow me to get into my account. So all I just have to do is click on the get code. So once I click on the get code, I'll be waiting for an SMS to pop up right on the phone number which I signed up with. So I got the code already. It's very simple. It will automatically sign in itself. So I'm waiting for it to come up. So if you are new to Binance, this is the Binance home screen. Once you just get to sign in. Well, so sorry, I have no Bitcoin on this account, but I'm just going to show you the video on how to trade on Binance p2p. Well, so from here you can see buy crypto, market, trade derivative in finance, NFT and all. So on this you can see p2p, so you just click on p2p trading. There are different options right here. There are different options here. So you can either buy and you can sell. In this situation, I just want to show you how to trade on it. So I'm not buying and I'm not selling, but I'll show you how it is. So from here you can see buy, sell. I can buy USDT, buy BTC, buy BNB, buy Ethereum, buy Naira and this. So assuming I want to buy a coin worth of, let me say, 10,000. So from this place, all I just have to do is input the amount which I need to buy. So in my case here, I'm trying it out with the USDT. So once I click on search, it will bring out different varieties, different people that are ready to sell. So please take note, when taking your orders, check for this, the percentage at which the traders do trade. But most times I used to do this and make use of only merchants. I do buy my coin directly from only merchants, and I can sell to only merchants also. So you can see this one is selling at 745 per dollar, of which it's at a loss of 2 point something naira, because earlier I saw someone here. I can see someone here that is selling for a lesser amount and it is 100% completion. So out of this 46 orders, this person sells with every order that he received. So all I just have to do is click on buy Bitcoin, buy USDT. It's also the same case for BTC also, but let me just use this here. This just do buy USDT. So from this place now, you can see it says I should buy USDT at 742.7. That's the rate at which he is selling. I want to pay. You can input the amount you want to pay, which is 10,000. So for 10,000, I'll receive 13.46 USDT. So you can see it says no third payment. You have to make sure you are paying from your own personal account. And if you have paid like after 10 minutes and you haven't received your USDT, you can simply just call his number. It's easy at that. Binance is a very safe environment where you can trade quite easily. So once I click on buy, there will be an option to look at. Okay, let me assume this. So I'll cancel this order. I'm just using this to show you the tutorial. Okay, so from here you can see it says this is the account name he provided and this is the bank account number which says I should pay into his PalmPay. You have to pay the total amount of 10,000 into his personal account which is listed here. Then once you click on transfer, it will notify the seller that I made the payment. Why the seller will have to check his bank account app to confirm if your payment is truly received. Once your payment is received, the coin will be released to you successfully. So in my case here, I'm just canceling the order because I'm not buying any coin currently. I'm not buying any coin. I guess I don't want to trade anymore. Okay. Just cancel. I don't want to trade anymore. I'll click on confirm. So I cancelled the order. If it's in the case where you want to sell your coin, and you are not buying, so you have to make use of the sell tab. So from the previous options we saw earlier, you can see the other guy was selling at 742. He was buying, like you can buy it from him at 742 per dollar. So yeah, you can see people are selling at 744. But let me use the same sell. Let me use 10,000. So 10,000. So from the 10,000 here, you can see. So this person, you can sell your coin to this user at 740. Once you click on sell USDT, so from here, like currently you can see it says I have no balance in my p2p. So before you can trade on this p2p, you have to make sure you move your coin that you want to sell from you have to move it from the spot trade to your funding account. Then so you have to click on transfer right here. Once I make use of the transfer tab, I have to wait for it to load. So I will click here, click on transfer. Once I click on transfer, you can see it says from here you can transfer from fiat and spot into funding. So all you just have to do is enter the coin you want to move to your funding account, then input the amount and click confirm. It will be transferred successfully into your funding account. So you can see it at easy at ABC. So if you want to sign up to the Binance account, I will drop my link in the description below. You can click on it to gain your free $10 income bonus. Thank you for watching this video. Please have a nice day.